Faire découvrir la cuisine thaï, c'est l'objectif de la chef Pao du Ginger Thai qui se trouve au Hilton Mauritius Resort and Spa pendant le week-end du 13 au 15 avril. Quoi de mieux de faire des journalistes de découvrir la cuisine de son pays en commençant par une salade de papaye. Voici en exclusivité la recette de cette succulente salade.
In Thailand, we eat very spicy.
Yes.
Okay. We have a chili. But any chili you can use, green chili, red chili, and fish sauce, fish sauce, sugar,
Yes.
okay, and this tamarind juice.
Okay.
This we put the hot water and crush them and reduce. We need only the water. And we use peanut.
Peanut.
And we use long bean, tomato, papaya. The yellow one I use carrot. When you mix together, you can get a nice color. Okay, nice color. This is you have beta carotene also.
Yes.
Okay, and lemon juice. I use lemon. You can use lime also. If lime, you can get more flavor. Okay, and this red cabbage.
Yes, red cabbage.
Okay, you will use or not use, no problem. But because this is vegetarian, the people who love the vegetable. But if vegetarian, no need to add fish sauce. You can use salt or soya, but maybe only salt. Okay. Normally I use garlic. Garlic maybe too strong. Smell too strong. Okay. But I will use chili. Yes, and all the sauce. Sugar. Fish sauce. And tamarind. Use tamarind. Also, and mix. Yes. This one we mix together. And this one.
And then we put all the
Yes. And this you have to
press it.
press them, and you can get the flavor. But in Thailand, we use mortar and pestle. I will show you like cooking on Friday 13, the traditional Thai papaya salad. Okay.
And how do you write it? Special. How do you write?
No, normally I'm not in Thailand. We're not cooking like this. We use mortar and pestle.
Okay.
Yes, everything we have like on the road, all the house we use like this. But on 13, I have show like cooking papaya salad. I will bring from my house. This one. Because in the kitchen, I don't have place to keep my material.
Vous aussi, vous pourrez avoir des leçons de cuisine thaï au Hilton. Bon appétit!